Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I am Ashlee K. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I specialize on videos of lifestyle, money making videos, but also most important, show you how to live your best budget friendly life on this channel. Okay, so if those are some things that you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video up, comment down below what was your favorite part of this video, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It will be somewhere linked in this screen below, so make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with me, not just on YouTube but on other platforms as well. And yeah, now that we got that out the way, let's get into today's video. I am so excited to be sharing this application with you guys. This is going to be a little bit different today. I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys an application. This video is also in collaboration with a company called Honeygain. Their logo will be somewhere in the screen here. This is also in collaboration with Honeygain, so thank you guys so much over at Honeygain for sharing this app with me so I can bring it to you guys. So let's go ahead and talk about this app more in depth. I'm going to be giving you guys the specs and the rundown of this application so you guys can know exactly what it is and exactly how to use it. So Honeygain is actually an online application where their users share their internet connection in exchange for reward. Now, before you probably giving me a little side eye over there, I see you. Okay, let me explain and let me break it down for you guys step by step. I'm actually going to give you guys an example so you guys can understand how Honeygain works. When you guys are searching up cheap deals on flights or cheap flight tickets, you are more than likely using Honeygain without even knowing it. So websites like Skyscanner, Trivago, and there's a bunch of different websites that use services like Honeygain to find the cheapest rates that are out there in the market. So when it comes to finding cheap flights or cheap deals or whatever the case may be, Honeygain is the service that goes ahead and finds the cheap deals and rates and brings them to these companies. With the help of Honeygain, users can gain access to deals and offers that are at the cheapest rate. Honeygain just doesn't stop at cheap flights or cheap deals. Honeygain also specializes in a lot of different services as well too. They specialize in things like brand protection, also specialize to stopping the sales of fake goods or fake services or any fake merchandise. They go ahead and they try and stop that from happening. Also specialize in fraud protection. Now, this company will not breach your privacy or steal your personal photos or access your personal information. There is no breach of privacy whatsoever. They are strictly just focusing on internet connection alone. Now, if you feel like you need to be extra protected, you can also check exactly what Honeygain is accessing straight from your smartphone. This will ensure that they don't access your photos, so you don't have to worry about if they're going to access your photos or your microphone or whatever. They are strictly just looking at the internet connection. I do want to share with you guys, I really think this is a really cool way to just earn passive income because it literally requires zero to no effort at all to run this app in the background and have it running and collecting your internet connection. It doesn't require any startup fees or any money upfront. This is strictly an app that you would just install, download from your application store, and basically have it running in the background, and that's how you will accumulate reward. Now let's discuss the money and the payout. Once you have $20 in your Honeygain account, you will be eligible for a cash out. And if you have lots of friends like I do, and I'm pretty sure all of y'all have lots of friends, you can also earn money with referral codes. So invite as many friends as you need to, you guys, because that will earn you 10% commission when you do cash out. I took my time actually filming this video because I wanted to make sure this company was super legit and something that you guys can check out and really make a little bit of passive income from. And this app is legit. Thousands of users from this app have posted their payment proof via Instagram. So their Instagram will be linked in the description bar as well too. And I will also try to link it in the screen so you guys can see their Instagram and go check it out for yourself. People actually are posting out their payout and their payment proofs on their Instagram page. And Honeygain is sharing that with you guys so you guys can actually see the payment proof. People are getting paid paid from this app, and it is a legitimate app. So I would definitely go ahead and check out their Instagram so you guys can see. There are tons and tons and tons of payouts that are posted on their Instagram, so definitely go ahead and check that out for yourself. And like every other app that I do recommend, I highly suggest that you do your own research as well too. Watch some other videos on YouTube. Actually go ahead and Google search the company, do your due diligence and research the company as well, so you can kind of get some information for yourself and you can feel comfortable about it. So definitely go ahead and do the research on the company, but the company does check out when I did my research, so I highly recommend going ahead and looking it up for yourself too. This company also has been endorsed by Trustpilot. Now, if you guys have not heard of Trustpilot is a website that verifies other websites to make sure that they are legit. Okay, Trustpilot has also backed your favorite companies such as Pretty Little Things. There's a whole bunch of websites that have been ran through Trustpilot, and this website is one of them. So that's also a pretty good thing to kind of make you feel safe about the company, that they have been verified by a lot of trusted backing companies as well too. So this is a legit website. Sign up process, you guys, is super easy to do. It just requires just a few steps when you are signing up, and I am also going to show you guys how I screen recorded the sign up process, and I'm going to actually share that with you guys right now so you guys can see the sign up process and how easy it is and simple it is to actually sign up for this website. Let's go over there and check out the screen recording.
Hey you guys, Ashlee K here, and I'm back to actually show you how easy the sign up process is for Honeygain. So I'm actually on the Honeygain website, and as you guys can see, it's very organized and well thought out. They even show you the 5-step simple process that they have on their website to actually sign up. So all you have to do is pretty much set it up, run Honeygain, let it gather up all the information that it needs to, and basically you just get paid. It's that simple. And it even shows you on here you can run this application on 3 devices per IP address, and you can earn about $20 a month. So I think that's pretty awesome just for doing absolutely minimal work. And it even shows you the stats that they have on the website. This application is available in 150 plus countries, and it's also backed by Trustpilot, as I said in the video. There's also some reviews that you can read through on the website, and what I thought was really cool on this website is that it actually has a tab that tells you how to maximize your earnings. So I'm actually going to show you guys, like, you can go through and read it, but it actually shows you how you can make even more money on this website. So I thought that was a really cool personal touch. So once you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should see sign up or log in. You want to go ahead and click that. Then it will prompt you on this website here. You're going to have to go ahead and put your email and sign up with a password. Once you do that, you will be taken to this prompt here. So it will show you exactly how the website gains its information, your current balance. It even gives you a referral code that you can share with your friends. So once you go ahead and sign up, this is what you will be prompted to do. And once you start to gain information, all that information will go up, and then your balance obviously will go up. And you can also share your referral code with all your friends. So really simple, really easy. And like I said, you do have to download it to be able to start to earn. So once you download the application to your device, you will start to earn your points.
Now, once you guys sign up, it is important to remember to download the app to your Windows or to your Mac. Okay, you guys, so you have to download this app to your Windows PC if that's what you have, or your Mac computer. You definitely have to download this app and keep an eye on when it is running to make sure it's running well. Check in with it every now and again, make sure it's actually working and it's collecting the information that you need to get your rewards. Now, currently as standing, the app is available in the Apple Store, and it's also available in the Honeygain website as well too. Just to cash out, to get a cash out. Now, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. This is not an app that will get you money overnight, hundreds of dollars overnight. It's important to be honest in these videos. This app does take time to accumulate and make a little bit of money. Your Netflix, make your Netflix. You won't have to pay for Netflix for life, okay? Pay for your little Starbucks, and that Starbucks you get every morning. You can definitely pay for that courtesy of Honeygain, okay, you guys? So this is just a little extra income to just put in your pocket. Nothing too large, but every little bit counts, okay, you guys? And I really think this is a great way to gain some passive income without doing minimal efforts, okay? This is one of those that you plug in, make sure it's running properly, and then you just forget about it. This is not going to be a get rich overnight scheme, but this will help in elevating that bank account, okay, you guys, and making things a little bit easier for you to be able to pay for. So you won't have to pay for Netflix out of pocket. You won't have to pay for your Spotify subscription out of pocket. You will be able to pay for that courtesy of Honeygain. So I think that's a really dope thing to keep in mind, that you won't have to pay for these little things that you pay for out of pocket. So you have made it to the end of the video, and because you have made it to the end of the video, I have a special gift for y'all. I actually have a referral code where you guys can earn up to $5 right now upon signing up. If you use the referral code right now, AshK3, you will be receiving $5 in your Honeygain account upon signing up, okay, you guys? So the code will be somewhere in the screen, and it will also be in the description bar below if you missed it. So it pays to watch these videos, you guys, and I'm giving you $5 right now just to even sign up, you guys. That, I think that's pretty lit. All you need is $15 more. That's everything I have for you guys in this video today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the videos like these. If you guys like these type of videos, definitely let me know in the comments below. Make sure you are following me on my socials. That would be in the description bar as well too, and I'll see you guys in the next